Every business has data. The real challenge is knowing what to do with it. And when the numbers are moving in the right direction, the next question is simple: where do we grow from here?
Sales are improving, but every team has a different idea about what we should do next. Marketing wants bigger campaign, operation wants to expand stores. Everyone has an opinion, but nobody knows which opportunity will actually drive the most growth.
That's where Fire AI comes in. Instead of relying on assumption, let's investigate what the data actually says. So we start with a simple business question. Analyze our current retail performance and identify the biggest opportunity to improve revenue, profitability, and customer experience. Let's see what Fire AI has in store for us. Fire AI doesn't immediately jump to conclusions. First, it understands what we're asking, identifies the business objectives, and breaks the question down into the areas that need to be investigated. It starts by establishing a baseline, looking at overall sales and customer footfall. This gives Fire AI a clear picture of the business before it starts looking for opportunities. But a total sales number alone doesn't tell us where the opportunity is. So Fire AI starts breaking performance down, looking at the factors driving sales and the factors bringing customers into the business. Next, it goes deeper into regional performance. By comparing sales and footfall across regions, Fire AI can identify where performance is strong and where there may be room for improvement. This is where the investigation starts moving from reporting numbers to finding opportunities. It then looks across categories to understand what's contributing to that performance. Instead of treating the business as one big number, Fire AI breaks it into smaller pieces to uncover the patterns that would otherwise be easy to miss. Every insight is backed by live, continuously updated business data, so Fire AI's findings are always grounded in the latest available information. Now, Fire AI compares performance across periods and regions to identify meaningful changes. This helps separate normal variations from area that deserves attention, and that's where the real opportunity starts to emerge. Once the analysis is complete, Fire AI doesn't leave us with a spreadsheet full of numbers. It uses what it has learned to build the foundation for strategic recommendations. The investigation brings everything together, from overall performance to regional and category level drivers. We can now see not just how the business is performing, but what is influencing that performance. Fire AI surfaces the drivers behind sales and footfalls, highlights the key observations, and turns those findings into opportunities for improvement. So instead of asking, what should we do next based on opinion, we can ask, what does the data say we should do next? Fire AI, from data to decisions.